Alright everyone, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an unboxing and installation video of the Bulletproof mounting solutions dash cell phone mount and GoPro mount for the 2011 to 2018 JK and JKU. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Like everybody else, they want to give you a decal, put on your Jeep. There's the arm for the cell phone mount. There's the GoPro mount. Looks like another part of the GoPro mounting system. And here's the, I chose the spring-loaded mount for the cell phone instead of magnetic mount. I've had problems with magnetic mounts with the phone falling off in the past. Everything looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing mounted. Should be fairly straightforward. I'm going to set up my GoPro. It's one I have to put down my handheld camera for get some of these shots. So my GoPro is up here going. Let's make sure we got a good shot. Let's go ahead and clear out our little rubber ducky. I'm going to take out this tray. One of the things I like using is I've got this Wera Tool Check Plus in metric. It's an awesome little toolkit for the Jeep for stuff like this. So I'm going to go ahead and set down my handheld camera and let the GoPro record what I'll be doing next. So what we've got here is your 7mm go ahead and undo that. So that 7mm is going to go through there. We're going to peel off the adhesive so it sits in there nice. Forward. Alright, so one drawback is you're going to lose your little rubber pocket. I think that's okay. Get the cell phone arm mounted. Might be a little hard to see with the GoPro mount right now. Let me bring this back a little. Alright, there we go. There where I want it. Tighten that down. See if we can get our GoPro mount put in here. I'll tell you what, this really sturdy. The base is made out of these balls are billet. Looks like it may be billet aluminum. The only problem I may have is my GoPro and my dash cam may interfere with one another. But that's fine. One of the reasons I bought this was because I live in Texas, and because of the Texas heat, I want to be able to put up my sunshade. And same reason I got this dash cam that mounts up snug against the windshield. I didn't want anything on the windshield itself that would prevent me from putting up my sun shield. So I've had some cell phone mounts before that were suction cups to the windshield, but they would get in the way. I couldn't put up my sunshade, and as you know, if you live here in Texas, that's not a good thing. You want that sunshade up. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what if I can get my cell phone put in there. There it is. Shut this door. Now we also get, if you loosen this up, you can swing your cell phone 360 degrees. Let's go ahead and we'll pause the GoPro so we can get it put in there and see what it looks like once we put that GoPro in there. Alright. So that's not bad. The GoPro really isn't interfering too much, or the dash cam isn't interfering too much with the field of view of the GoPro, but I really like this mount here. I like to be able to spin my phone around. I like it up there out of the way, but close enough while I'm driving. I'll reach up, just tap things and be able to see everything right there in your field of view while you're driving. One thing I didn't notice that they put in there, I guess Bulletproof gave me a little bottle opener, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and try this thing out for about 30 days and then put out a video letting you know what my thoughts are of it and how it's performed for those 30 days. One thing I forgot to say is I am not sponsored by Bulletproof. I bought this with my own money, so I'm going to give you a honest and thorough review. If I like it, I'll let you know. If I don't like it, I'll be more than happy to let you know and explain what I do and don't like about it. Thank you.